Hello, everyone. Are you wondering about the average salary for an aircraft mechanic in the United States? Let's explore. The average annual salary for an aircraft mechanic is approximately $55,670, which translates to about $4,640 per month. After federal taxes, which for this income level fall into the 12% bracket, the take-home pay would be roughly $49,000 annually, or about $4,080 monthly. Where you live significantly impacts your earnings. For instance, aircraft mechanics in California earn an average of around $70,000. Those in Texas make approximately $68,000. And in Florida, salaries average about $65,000. Conversely, states like West Virginia, with an average salary of $48,000, Arkansas at about $49,000, and Mississippi around $50,000, offer lower wages for this role. Experience also plays a crucial role in salary variation. Entry-level aircraft mechanics with less than 3 years of experience can expect to earn around $35,680 annually. Those with 4 to 9 years of experience typically earn about $45,630 per year. For professionals with 10 to 20 years of experience, salaries average around $65,870 annually, and those with more than 20 years of experience can earn up to $67,340. Educational qualifications and certifications further influence salary potential. Aircraft mechanics with advanced certifications, such as airframe and power plant (A&P) licenses, tend to earn higher than average salaries, often exceeding $70,000 annually. In summary, the salary for an aircraft mechanic in the United States varies based on factors such as location, experience, and certifications, with earnings ranging from approximately $35,680 to over $95,490 annually. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Goodbye.